Hey guys, Shift3 here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to make $10,000 per month reselling AirPods. You've probably seen videos on TikTok proclaiming that they're making a lot of money reselling these things, but I wanted to go ahead and get down to the bottom of it, and I have been reselling items for over 5 years now, and it's pretty safe to say I know exactly what I'm doing when it comes down to e-commerce and reselling, but you guys will actually need some distributors, which a lot of these people are actually gatekeeping, and I want to go ahead and give you guys the best distributor for free and show you guys all the methods on how to go ahead and resell these items. But something else you want to go ahead and distribute is a like and subscribe to the channel, because we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers and I put out some great valuable videos that you don't want to miss out on. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So to get started, in order to resell something, you obviously need to go ahead and get it for cheaper, and we're not going to go ahead and buy these directly through Apple because then we're going to be losing money. We need to go ahead and find a distributor, and I actually told you guys that I will be giving you guys all of my distributors for 100% free. I'm not here to go ahead and gatekeep anything. Everything is free here, and I want you guys to go ahead and succeed. So right here is going to be the AirPod distributor that I have been using for a while. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you guys can see here, it does bring you guys to a DHgate link and basically has all the products that you will need. And if you guys notice something, you do go ahead and get discounts for the more that you go ahead and buy. So for example, you buy 10 pieces, 20, 50, 100, and so on, you can go ahead and get a huge discount. I was talking to one of my friends and he actually bought over 1,000 different AirPods, and I was just shocked that this was even possible, but he seemed like he was actually knowing what he was doing when it came down to reselling. So as you can see right here, we do have the AirPod 2s, and these are going to be top quality for $25, which is definitely a steal. But as you guys go ahead and order more in bulk, you'll go ahead and get a huge discount. So I highly recommend going to the link in the Discord, and you can find the Discord down in the description below, and you guys could actually find these exact products. And this is only going to be $25, and the more that you buy, you'll go ahead and get a huge discount. So keep that in mind. Very, very important if you want to go and save money. The AirPod 3s are going to be $28. The normal AirPod Pros are going to be $27. So keep in mind that the Pros normally do have noise cancellation, so it's very important that you guys go ahead and buy the ones with noise cancellation, because it's going to look a little bit off, and I'll go and explain that in a second. AirPod Pro 2 full functionality. This is probably the best one that you could probably get. This is the second generation AirPod Pros, and they actually are going to have full functionality, noise cancellation, basically the same sound quality that you'll be expecting. So I highly recommend picking these up. Some of my favorites when it comes down to it. So obviously these AirPods are not going to be real, and you guys could actually make the ethical decision if you guys want to actually resell them for the exact same price, or you guys can go in and resell them for a much cheaper price. Me personally, I like to go ahead and find a middle ground. So instead of reselling them for about, let's say $249, which is going to be the AirPod Pro second generation, I'd probably end up reselling them for around like $149 or so, and I can make a decent amount of profit, and I can keep going on and on. Also inside of the Discord, we do have the AirPod Maxes, and these are going to be the best quality, but they're going to be a little bit more on the expensive side. But keep in mind that the AirPod Maxes actually do retail for $500, which is definitely a lot of money. So I highly advise that you guys go ahead and make a smart decision with these. They do go ahead and have great sound quality. They have the noise cancellation and everything that you're pretty much looking for. They also do have all the colors such as red, white, black, and so on, which is definitely a plus if you guys are looking to pick these up for yourselves or someone else. Okay, cool. So now that you have your product, you're probably wondering where to exactly resell them. So there's actually two methods to this. There's actually the in-person meetup way that you guys can go and do via platforms such as OfferUp, and even eBay has this as well, where you guys can go ahead and meet up with people to go ahead and resell these AirPods, which can be a little bit sketchy. So I highly advise that you guys are going to be on the more careful side. Definitely make sure that you're meeting up in well-lit places, maybe even a police station if you guys don't feel secure around the person that you're meeting up with. For our second method, it's going to be online reselling, and a lot of people actually like this one a lot easier. You don't have to even leave your house except for actually sending it out, which a lot of times they give you the postage on these sites, which is really nice. So you can go ahead and print it out, you can go ahead and ship it to your customer, and it's really that easy, and you can go ahead and make money passively from your home, which is really nice. No need to go ahead and meet up with people, but this does get a little bit more trickier because after a few AirPod sales, you will end up getting banned or actually get asked for some type of identification. I know I was actually reselling AirPods, and eventually they do catch on to you, so you need to go ahead and make an eBay stealth account. An eBay stealth account is a way where you can go ahead and use eBay as in its name, stealthily. I do not recommend using a VPN because eBay will actually catch on, and they pretty much know when you are using a VPN. So obviously that's not going to work for a stealth account. You're going to need a whole new phone, which in my case, I actually do have a whole nother phone just for reselling on eBay. So here's my main phone, and you guys can see right here, here's going to be my burner phone, which I actually just picked up a Google Pixel 3, which it doesn't have to be this fancy. It could be even worse, such as like a Samsung A1 or any other type of phone like that. And you guys will be able to go ahead and resell on platforms easy as that. So if you guys are device banned or IP banned, then you guys will need to go ahead and get a brand new device. It could be an iPad, it could be a brand new computer, but it does have to be a brand new device. So keep that in mind when trying to resell on eBay. Another tip when buying from DHgate, if you do see something called payment failure or it basically fails with your debit card, you guys may want to go and switch over to a credit card. I actually had this problem when I was buying my last shipment of AirPods, and I was so confused, but you want to make sure that you are using a credit card instead of a debit card if this happens, or you guys could actually use a privacy card, which is actually really simple to go ahead and get. Just download the privacy app, and you guys will be able to go ahead and sign up for one. I'll go ahead and leave my referral link to privacy down in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and sign up, and you also go ahead and get $5 free, which is really nice when you sign up for a privacy card. And what this does is it pretty much allows you to use a virtual card on any of these types of sites, especially DHgate, that can be a little bit sketchy sometimes. Once you guys are making profit, now we need to talk about scale. How do you scale an operation like this? And it is a little bit hard to go on a scale, especially since it's very volatile. Accounts can be disabled just like that. So I really actually recommend that you guys try to go out and diversify with different platforms. Go on Mercari, go on different things such as eBay, OfferUp, your friends, and people in your school. A lot of people that are trying to resell AirPods are actually super young, and this is actually a really good opportunity. Everybody's looking to get their hands on some new headphones, especially because there's always new music coming out. There's always that Ice Spice or Polo G album that's dropping, and people are trying to listen to it in the highest of audio qualities, but they just can't because they can't afford AirPods. And this is where you come into play, because AirPods are super expensive, but you can go ahead and sell it to them for a much cheaper price. And especially if you're doing this at school, you can make some quick and easy side money. I remember doing this back in the day with a lot of snacks, just reselling chips, and people were actually buying these overpriced snacks because they couldn't get their hands on it. And it's exactly like that. When there's actually a low supply and a high demand, then you're going to go ahead and make a lot of money. So I highly recommend selling in a school environment because you can go ahead and make tons of money doing so. But a lot of people that are really scaling are actually on these online platforms, and you guys need to figure out how to make a stealth account, which is really important. So I gave out some free sauce in this video, but I actually do have some paid information that a lot of people actually have been buying, and it's only $10 or the price of 2 ice cold lattes at Starbucks. Honestly, why would you guys not want this? It's pretty much all the information that you need not to go out and get banned, and you can scale your operation up way more. So if you guys are looking to go ahead and get information on how to not get banned on these platforms, more specifically eBay, then I highly recommend to go ahead and actually buy this course right here. It's literally just a PDF that would tell you guys everything that you need to know, and I'm always happy to help on IG. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and were able to go ahead and figure out how everybody's making money from reselling AirPods. It was a little bit sketchy to me at first, but I finally got the hang of it, and now I'm making tens of thousands of dollars per month from home, and it's honestly super easy. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time in the next video for Shift 3 reviews. Bye!